This message is to Eizoge Ugbebo. Eizoge Ugbebo, we are aware that you are having a party in Benin City, Edo State, your state. We are aware that you have flooded the town with guests. We have also seen a video by one of your guests called Bob or Bobrisky or Idris. What Bobrisky stands for, we don't patronize here. I'm also sure that you have seen the video, what he said against our monarch, the Oba of Benin. He made some silly statements, very provoking one, against our revered monarch. And tomorrow.
Hey guys, it's your Bobrisky guys. I'm super excited. I'm in Benin. You guys are awesome people here. You guys are wonderful people here. Thank you guys so much for welcoming Bobrisky. And guys, I've been seeing some little gist about what I said about our honorable and wonderful Oba. I'm so sorry. I was just joking. I was just cruising, like just chilling. I never knew people would take it personal. So this is a video to apologize that I'm sorry. Please, you guys should take it personal. And I love you guys so much. Thank you.
Bobrisky, you know the fear at all. How dare you go come and say, make our Oba come marry man? Are you kidding me? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Bobrisky. Bobrisky, how dare you talk that kind of thing for mouth, say, make our Oba, our great Oba of Benin, make he come marry a man. Are you kidding me? That is an insult. Insult to our personality. Bobrisky, I see you, they do apology today. You're supposed to lead down very well. You go lead down, they beg. Are you kidding me? You don't see this guy when he talked to Wario that day. You don't see what the Wario use the eye do before he can't lead down. If I do apology, he lead down, go there, go they beg. Are you kidding me? Who does that? Now our Oba you want to play? Bobrisky, you know the fear. I don't understand. Who you help? Eh? How dare you talk that kind of thing for mouth? Say you want make our Oba. Aye! That is an insult. Insult. See, we pass I not did this word. My people. Bobrisky, no, you do this one way at all. Although I see say they do apology, they beg, but you don't do this one away, my sister, my brother. You don't do this one away. You not be woman, you be man. That is an insult. And if you want to beg that kind of beg, not be so they beg, eh? Who does that? Well, you know, say if you don't talk something like this, you go viral, go everywhere. I will talk that kind of thing, say me our Oba. Our king of Edo State, our second god. Does that, Bobrisky? Who does that? My people. Bobrisky talk this thing way Bobrisky do so. That is an insult. Insult to our personality. Bobrisky, you not do this one well. Benin people, when they say they fight for my palace. Wait till I don't talk for this Bobrisky now. Eh? And they fight for palace. And they fight for palace. Wait till I don't talk now for this Bobrisky now. Eh? Bobrisky not do this thing where the truth have to be said. The truth have to be said, my darling people. Bobrisky, no, you do this one way. At all. No, Bobrisky. No. You just fuck up, like seriously. My people, what you want reason about this video? This is an insult. Make our Oba come marry man. Man. Not be woman, man. Aye. Bobrisky, baby, wow. My people, more than I make sure this video. Bobrisky, we need to deal with you. You have to go beg very well. Lead down the beg. Who does that? Lead down. You go lead down the beg. And so it's supposed to be. I go put the video when they stay saying beg just now. Who does that? My people, ma put the video more than see. And more than see the way about talk and the rest people too. Who does that? No. That is an insult. And this one I warn it to the rest of una. If una want address our Oba next time, more than want to use this kind of thing. Who does that? For now, the respect we order for come. When I go respect our old king, our second God. Who does that? When I know they fear again. Now everything that they play. Now everything that they play. More than 1 year, 1 year. More than stop them, When I get to now, more than not come they use our old they play that kind of nonsense play. Bobrisky they Benin now they play up and down. Who does that now? Come on, go and apologize very well, Bobrisky. Who you help? I put the video my people more than see.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my Benin brothers, my Benin sisters, my Edo brothers, my Edo sisters, and Nigerians across the world. I am making this short broadcast this morning purposely because of a video we saw online yesterday where one thing they call Bobrisky was referring to our Reverend Monarch, the Oba of Benin. We do not condone such statements or comments from anybody, most especially someone that is of low class, that has no class. If they respect that person in Lagos, we don't in Benin. We are accommodating people who welcome visitors, but not to the detriment of our people. You cannot come and insult or throw words to our Oba of Benin. I am using this medium to advise Eyoze Ogbebo, because we have been informed that she was invited by Eyoze Ogbebo for a burial ceremony, and it is taking place at the military base hospital Airport Road. We are I particularly kindly advising Eyoze Ogbebo to take that thing back to Lagos. That thing she brought to Benin should be taken back to Lagos. We don't want to see her in that event today in Benin. We do not want to see her in that event today in Benin. If you dare us thinking that you are holding the event at the military base hospital Airport Road, we will surprise you. We will surprise you. I repeat, we will surprise you. Eyoze Ogbebo, if you want to dare us, want to try us and see. We do not accommodate bad influence into our society. The person, whether it's a male or a female you brought, is a bad influence to the society. We don't accept such people in Benin Kingdom. We don't accept such people in Edo State. Kindly take that thing back to where you brought him or her from. Thank you all, and God bless.